Oh, hello. Today's November 2nd, 2010. It's Tuesday. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. And I see all these great unboxing videos on YouTube. And I never get to do one. Well, almost never. But I'm going to do an unboxing for something. And it's something that federal law in the United States restricts this device to sale by or on order of a physician. So this is not just an ordinary unboxing. This is a device that's restricted to get a doctor to order it. I'm not sure what happens. I'm not sure what happens if you got one without a doctor's order. You think the government would descend on you? Break down your door, SWAT team would come in. Okay, there's a thing. I don't know what it is. Oh, I got a DVD. You think maybe they sent me a game? Huh. What else is this? Something in there. Ooh. Telephone cord. Not a USB cord, a telephone cord. Have you ever seen a telephone cord before? And there's something on this side over here. Oh, batteries. They sent batteries. So Kodak, you should be advertising, hey, only Kodak batteries are used with. Okay, let's see first of all what the device is. Looks like a telephone answering machine. Okay, let's see. It shows plugging it into a phone line. So there's a switch here for tone or pulse, depending on which type of phone you have. I don't have either kind. There's bits 7, 8, 9, so you can set it for 7. Okay, here's where a line goes in and a phone goes in. I have neither. Open this up, and what do we have here? Let's see what it is. I'll just put it over my pacemaker here. Then I'll press this. I wonder what this button is. I'll just press this button. Oh, just kidding. So this is how I would measure it and send the information over the telephone, which I only have to do every 3 months because I have a pacemaker, to the people, unless I start fainting and doing all types of stuff. So I bet this DVD, I bet it just tells about it. Patient instructional DVD. And then it looks like it's in French. It says it in French, I think. And it's for certain models. And the running time is 36 minutes of this. So let's look in here to see what they have in here, though. Nice thick plastic container. And it has in it Medtronic's model instruction card, and it shows you how to do this. Setting up your monitor, selecting the phone line, selecting a location to use your monitor, connect the monitor to a phone jack, connect the monitor to the phone, install the batteries, and then the other side, using your monitor. Oh, the screen. So these things here light up down here. Let's see. So this would light up, I guess, as it's accomplishing its mission. Watch the 5 green reading lights fill. The monitor is done reading when all five lights fill up and you hear 2 beeps. If you get an orange antenna light, reposition the antenna. So they call this thing that goes over there the antenna. That doesn't sound very interesting, you know. I mean, I'd like to see it printing on my own screen or something. That'd be nice. Anyway, that's an unboxing, and I wonder how many unboxing of cardiac pacemaker monitors, readers, or whatever it is, appear on YouTube. I may have done a first. Who knows? So that's the unboxing of the Medtronic Carelline Monitor, and serial number, model number 2490H, property of Medtronic Incorporated. I wonder if they charge me for that, or I wonder if Medicare gets in charge of my insurance company, or if that's part of the deal for installing the pacemaker. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching.